Broadcom's earnings after the bell, June 5th. Here's what you need to know. So Broadcom is expected to report 14.97 billion in revenue for quarter one. Now this would mark a 20% increase year over year on top line revenue. However, EPS is expected to come in at $1.57, marking an 80+% decline from last year. Now, historically, Broadcom has been known to beat on their earnings on a pretty consistent basis. More than 88% of the time, they did beat on that top line revenue number. So earnings aren't likely to be the problem. The problem right now could be their massive valuation. Their PE ratio currently is above 100, and that's a 30% premium when compared to the average of all of their closest peers. That could be a big problem for the bull case when you start to think a stock that's trading at a 30% premium with no real good reason why. Something that we want to see them touch on in the earnings is a major risk factor in their revenues exposure to Apple. So with Apple's slowing iPhone sales and the tariff implications, we want them to speak on that and say how could that affect AVGO's or Broadcom's top line. With all this being said, there's still a lot of people making the bull case for this company because they love their business model. However, at these levels with that massive valuation, it's hard for me to justify a buy rating right now.